Hey everybody, Mike here with Cactus Crawlers RC, and I am back again today with the FMS FCX24 K5 Blazer, and I gotta tell you, I'm having a lot of fun with this truck. Man, I've got so many scratches all over it now. I've had it out there on the backyard course almost every day, sometimes 2-3 times a day. Man, I'm telling you, this is an awesome truck. I really like it. There are some parts of the course out there that some of the other trucks are able to do, and the K5 can't do it. So it got me thinking, how I know this is a capable vehicle. Just having those portal axles in the front, and you know, I just know there's a whole lot more to this vehicle than not being able to hit those lines that the other trucks can do. So I went out there and I decided, let's run this truck without the body and just the chassis. And this thing rocks. This thing performs awesomely. I was really super impressed with what this truck was capable of when it didn't have the big heavy K5 body on it. So I started making some modifications to it, and I've got a magnet here, and I've got a magnet here, and I've got a new home for the JConcepts Mini Creep. I think it looks great on here. Let me get the light over here. So I've always loved this body. The one thing that really bothered me was how wide it was in the cab, and when you put it on the SCX24s, I mean, it seemed out of proportion. But on a chassis as big as this, with that really wide stance that I made this thing have, it fits. It actually looks like it goes on there. So what I like best about it is that I could go out there and I could run the chassis like this, where it barely has any weight on the top, and the magnets hold on really well. And I can see, you know, the great performance of this rig. And as you saw me unattaching that, I can simply pull that body off and clip the K5 body back on, and I am back to K5. So it's kind of like a dual purpose chassis. Really cool. I like it. Alright everybody, well, thanks for watching this episode of Cactus Crawlers RC. Stick around, check out the running footage of the FCX24 with the JConcepts Mini Creep body on there, and we'll see y'all next time.